So since it's super humid, I hope it's going to rain hard, really hard. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to the Punto Brico to see if I can find some spotlights for this cooking situation. Yeah. Now it's already half full. Crazy car. Might not be the most beautiful thing, but it's cheap, it's low profile, and I think it will do the job. As I'm exiting the Punto Brico, it's raining up here. So let's see if it's also raining at home. It's not raining very hard, but it's raining finally.
Niente credo lo so.